Thought for the day, Saturday, August the 31st. Transform darkness into light. Whoever loves me will be loved by my Father, and I shall love him and reveal myself to him. From the Gospel of John, chapter 14, verse 21. All Jesus' commandments are summed up in just one: loving God and our neighbor, in whom we see and love Jesus. Love is not mere sentimentalism. It translates into concrete living in the service of our brothers. And through this love, his light, Jesus' light, finds its way in us, according to his promise: whoever loves me, I shall reveal myself to him. Love is a source of light. Loving, one understands God better, because God is love. And this leads us to love more and to deepen our relationship with our neighbors. This light, this loving knowledge of God is, therefore, the hallmark, the proof of true love. And it can be experienced in different ways, because in each one of us, light adopts a different color, a hue of its own. But it has characteristics in common. It shows us God's will. It gives us peace, serenity, and an ever-growing understanding of God's Word. It is a warm light that encourages us to walk along the path of life in an ever more secure and efficacious way. Although the shadows of life may make our way uncertain, although darkness may also block us, this word from the Gospel will remind us that light is lit with love, and that a gesture of concrete love is enough, however small, a prayer, a smile, a word, to give us that ray which enables us to go ahead. Chiara Lubich, excerpts from the Commentary on the Word of Life of May 1999.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.